Hello everyone, and you are welcome to my channel, Andrews the Right. Well, yes, we are in the, I think the last month of the first quarter of the year, and well, we thank God for how far He has brought us. So this week, I want us to look at a news that was that was published not long ago. And it's just about a weight loss jab that has gained popularity in the US, which has been approved for use by the NHS in England. Okay, so it's a bit of good news for all those who wants to reduce their weight. Okay, who are overweight and then they want to reduce their weight. So this is good news for those people, but then it must be under strict medical advice. Okay, you don't go to the pharmacy, just go and buy it and use it. It has to be monitored by a medical professional. Okay, now the National Institute for Health, okay, and Care of Excellence, NICE, concluded that Semaglutide, which is the name of the drug, okay, Semaglutide, marketed as Wegovy, okay, it's safe, effective, and affordable. Delivered via an injection into the skin, okay, the drug makes people, okay, feel fuller and more satisfied, so they eat less. Okay, that is basically what the drug does. Okay, now one famous celebrity, that is Elon Musk, claimed to have used it alongside several celebrities in the United States. Okay, based on evidence from clinical trials, NICE says semaglutide could help people, okay, reduce their weight for over 10%, okay, if implemented alongside nutrition and lifestyle changes. Very important, nutrition and lifestyle changes. It will be recommended for use by people with at least one weight-related health condition, okay, as well as those who have a body mass index BMI, which put them near the top of the obese range. Okay, now BMI is calculated by dividing an adult's weight in kilograms by square of their height in meters. Okay, those who are lower on the obese BMI range, okay, a BMI range between 30 and 34 kilogram per meter squared, could also be offered the drug if they have a weight-related condition, Okay, now NICE lists these as someone who has pre-diabetes, okay, who is pre-diabetic, okay, has type 2 diabetes, has high blood pressure, a heart disease, or obstructive sleep apnea. Okay, so these are some of the weight-related diseases by which the semaglutide could be prescribed to you, okay, in order for you to lose weight. Okay, so the company says that, well, pre-diabetic, who is someone who is pre-diabetic, has type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, or obstructive sleep apnea. Okay, once weekly injections of Wegovy will have to be prescribed by a specialist, as I indicated from this episode, from the what I said earlier. Okay, it has to be prescribed by a medical specialist. Okay, and an individual will only be able to take the drug for a minimum of 2 years. 2 years. Okay, 2 years. Semaglutide is also found in diabetes medicine, that is the Ozempic. Okay, now, but unlike Ozempic, which is intended for those with type 2 diabetes, Wegovy is recommended specifically for weight loss. The drug works as an appetite suppressant by mimicking the hormone, okay, called glucagon-like peptide 1. Okay, this intestinal hormone, okay, is released after eating and typically makes people feel fuller, so should help reduce overall calorie intake. Hey, I guess this hormone doesn't work. Because I love food. I like food a lot. Okay, so an article published last year in Variety suggested that diabetes medicine, okay, Ozempic, which contains semaglutide, okay, is being used by some professionals in the film industry, Hollywood and entertainment industry to lose weight quickly. Okay, it has become so popular that there are currently widespread shortages in the United States and concerns for those who rely on the drug for medical use. So people just go buy the drug and use. Okay, you need to have some with related conditions before you can use this drug, and it must be prescribed by a health professional or a specialist. Okay, please take note. Insurance companies, therefore, in the US are refusing to cover its use among people who are not diabetic and not taking it as prescribed medicine. Okay, the pharmaceutical company giant who did the Ozempic and the semaglutide drug, that is a Novo Nordisk, okay, says that the product should only be used as recommended. They are strengthened as recommended by a doctor. Okay, like all medications, does it have side effects? Yes. Okay, like all medications, semaglutide comes with side effects, okay, and risk, including nausea, stomach pain, and vomiting and diarrhea. In addition, rapid weight loss can also lead to skin losing collagen and elastin. Okay, elastin. So before you take this drug, just get a prescribed note from a specialist before you take semaglutide. It's very important. It's very, very important. So I guess, but there's one actress in Hollywood, that is Kylie Wood, who is 36 years old, who has been taking the Ozempic for 7 months. Okay, for 7 months, which was prescribed by a doctor in the in New York. Okay, she tells the BBC, okay, that she has lost weight under 30 kilogram. Okay, under 30 kilogram, going from obese to healthy in the BMI range. So of course people are using the drug and giving testimonies of how effective the drugs produced by this pharmaceutical giant are being how effective some of these drugs are being produced. Okay, so it is good news for all those who wants to lose weight and be healthy, be in the normal range. Okay, obesity is not good. I think one of these days I would have a section and explain what obesity, what it is, okay, and how one can actually help control it. Okay, it's very important. It's very important, and all these things all has to do with, in as much as you are even taking semaglutide, you need to know that you need to balance with your eating habit, your lifestyle habit. Okay, if you are taking semaglutide and your lifestyle habit is not being monitored, you will not get any result. Okay, so please, let's stay focused. Know that before you can take this drug, you need a prescription from a specialist. You need a prescription from a specialist. Okay, so good news for all those who want to lose weight. Okay, it's a very good news for all those who want to lose weight. What about those who want to gain weight? We will talk about that in our next episode. I am your host, Andrews the Right, and I thank you all for watching this episode. Thank you. Have a blessed week.